Behind the forehead are the frontal lobes of the cerebral cortex. They may be the places where we anticipate events, where we figure out the future. But if we can foresee an unpleasant future, we can take steps to avoid it. Down here in the frontal lobes may be the means of ensuring human survival, if we have the wisdom to pay attention. Inside the cerebral cortex is the microscopic structure of thought. The language of the brain is not the DNA language of the genes. What we know is encoded in cells called neurons, tiny switching elements, every connection representing one bit of information. How many neurons do each of us have? Maybe 100 billion, comparable to the number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. And there are something like 100 trillion neural connections. This intricate and marvelous network of neurons has been called an enchanted loom, where millions of flashing shuttles weave a dissolving pattern. Even in sleep, the brain is pulsing and throbbing and flashing with the complex business of human life, dreaming, remembering, figuring things out. Our thoughts, our visions, our fantasies have a tangible, physical reality. What does a thought look like? Well, it's made of hundreds of electrochemical impulses. Over there, for example, is a spark of a memory, maybe the smell of lilacs on a country road in childhood. And there goes a bit of an anxious all points bulletin. Perhaps, where did I leave my keys? The neurons store sounds, too, and snatches of music. Whole orchestras play inside our heads. The landscape of the human cerebral cortex is deeply furrowed, and there's a good reason for it. These convolutions greatly increase the surface area available for information storage in a skull of limited size. The world of thought is roughly divided into two hemispheres. Over there is the right hemisphere of the cerebral cortex. It's mainly responsible for pattern recognition, intuition, sensitivity, creative insights. And over here is the left hemisphere, presiding over rational, analytic, and critical thinking. These are the two sides, the dual strengths, the essential opposites that characterize human thinking. Before us are the means, both for generating ideas and for testing their validity. There's a continuous dialogue going on between the two hemispheres of the brain, channeled through this immense bundle of nerve fibers, which is called the corpus callosum. It's a bridge between creativity and analysis, both of which are necessary if we're to understand the world.